What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Auto Wash, the Honeydew, and we're going to take a look and see how well it foams up without the help of a foam cannon on the end of a pressure washer. This coming up next. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Chris here with Splash and Wax Mobile Detailing, and in this video we're going to take some Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash, and we're going to stick some in a bucket just to see how well it foams up. And we're going to stick some into this foam sprayer, not a foam cannon but a foam sprayer, and see how well it does outside the use of a regular traditional foam cannon on the end of a pressure washer. So we're going to spray this little Ford Ranger down and see how well it works. First thing, I dumped a couple drops into this bucket here and went ahead and filled it up so I could show you, and you can tell that it is real sudsy. So you can use this stuff outside of a foam cannon if you so choose. Now, not too shabby. As you can tell, it's going on pretty thick, and obviously it would be thicker if it was coming out of a higher pressurized container, such as a foam cannon on the end of a pressure washer, but we don't have that. This is what we have. Suds up fairly nice. Coming off the wheel wells here, dripping, helping take off contaminants and placing a barrier between your microfiber rag, towel, and your vehicle's paint to basically lubricate it to keep it from any other particles from scratching it as you're trying to wash your vehicle. So Chemical Guys got them a good product. I'm very impressed with it. So if you like this video, hit that like button. Feel free to share on your social media with a friend. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. We appreciate it. Thank you for your support. We hope you get good use out of this video. Drop us a comment in the section below. With that being said, please stay safe, and until next time.